Hey, can we be friends when we are lovers? Cause it always ends with just hating each other. Instead of calling me out, should be pulling me in. I just have one more thing to say. I just have absent when you say something like, oh, what a shame. Hello. What's up, everybody's? I'm on my way to vacuum my motherfucking car because it is a total fucking disaster. I miss you too. Glad to see everybody's alright. Well, why can't we be friends when we are lovers? Cause it always ends with just hating each other. Instead of calling me out, should be pulling me in. I just have one more thing to say. So my back window broke last month on accident. So I'm currently in the process of fixing that as well. You like acceptance when you say something like, oh, what a shame. Why can't we be friends when we are lovers? Cause it reasons with just hating each other. God, I did not like that song. Buy a Tesla. I only need about $200,000 more and I'll be able to buy a Tesla. I ain't rich yet. I am now digging for change so I can vacuum my car. I have dollars, but I need change. Why can't we be friends? I like how I've missed everything in here but the fucking quarters. It's always my favorite. You lack substance when you say something like, oh, what a shame. How it happens to you? I'm not. Live in a small house. One day. Jesus fucking Christ. Move away from the center line, you idiot. God damn. Some dude almost fucking nailed my shit. Here it is on live. Alex Raz dying. Some idiot crosses over the middle line. You have substance when you say something like, oh, what a shame. When you only have 13 people on your live and you have 10,000 followers. Stupid. Fucking idiot. Somebody fucking said that on one of my lives. They were like, when you have 11,000 followers and only 13 people come in. I'm like, you realize most of my followers are from the UK, right? And it's 5 hours ahead. And it was streaming at 5 or 3 in the morning over there. Stupid. Stupid. Stupid is a mean word. You lack substance when you say something like, oh, what a shame. Happen to be human. Believe it. Why can't we be friends when we are lovers? Cause it always ends with just hating each other. Should be pulling me in. I have one more thing to say. I'm just pissed off. Happened to be here. Alright, well, you guys have fun. I'll see ya. Have fun.